Hi everyone, I'm your Tinley Park personal injury and accident lawyer, Andrew Kryder. I'm about to share with you the most important steps you can take after a truck accident. The first thing you need to do after an accident is create a police report. Without it, the insurance company may deny your claim. The second step to take after an accident is to seek medical attention if you're injured. It's important that you share with your doctors all of your injuries and a description. Small injuries today can turn into big injuries tomorrow, so don't leave anything out. It's important that there's an accurate description in these medical records of the injuries that you sustained in the accident. Think of it this way: if it's not in the medical records, it's like it never happened. The third step that you want to take after an accident is to preserve all needed evidence. And evidence can be a lot of different things. It just depends on your case. But think about witnesses. You want to make sure you have their name, address, and contact information. Think about photographic evidence. In today's day and age, video's everywhere. Think about video evidence. The point is you have to preserve it. It disappears or it goes away forever. If your lawyer has that needed evidence, it's going to help him or her build your case and maximize its value. Conversely, without it, it's probably going to begin to diminish the value of your case. The final step after an accident: call the Kryder Law Group. We've handled thousands of cases just like yours, and we can handle yours too. Give us a call today.